What's going on? I want to talk a little bit about getting started in the strength and conditioning or fitness realm. People are putting too big on lofty goals, things that are not obtainable long term. You'd be better off starting with things that will create habits daily, and then build these habits daily, and all these things will kind of like snowball and create this bigger effect. So instead of setting the plan that I'm going to work out, do this grueling workout 2 hours a day, 7 days a week, pretty much everybody that starts out that way never makes it through that, all right? But if you would say your goal is to walk 30 minutes every day, start eating more vegetables and get 8 hours of sleep, then you look at it and you're a month deep doing all these things, you're already feeling better, you're starting to be healthy, and then you start adding and ramping up, your strength workouts and your metabolic workouts, and things start flowing, you actually start to enjoy these things. But you need to look at it as building blocks and habits that you create that keep building and building and building. People going from 0 to 160 rarely stay at 160, whereas if you would go from 0 to 40 to 80 to 120 to 160, then you might actually have something that's sustainable long term. So start building up, make realistic goals, stay true, program wisely. Peace.
Last one. Hips back, hips back, hips back. And